Hey, Annissa here with Firehouse Education, and you guessed it, this week's Ask Annissa video column. This week, the column is coming to you a little bit unique. As you may have seen this week, I'm actually traveling. I am in the beautiful state of Minnesota. I have to get that right. I keep saying Wisconsin. I'm going to get in trouble. I'm here with some great people. Service Restoration. Dan and Ray are here with me. I actually have assistants. I'm not on the camera by myself this week. Kind of cool. And as you can tell, we have a little different setup and question that we're going to be answering this week. To begin with, we have been working on a very large fire job, pack out, very hot, very humid. This West Coast girl has been melting for the last 3 days because I'm not used to this. And so we all decided that what do you do after a day like that? You come and cool off and have a refreshment. But apparently there is a question that has been asked of me. So what is that question, gentlemen?
So Annissa, we were just wondering which beers you pair with different losses.
Okay, and the losses we're talking about are fire, water, sewer, and mold. Ah, okay. Have you guys picked these out and I'm just testing them? Or am I supposed to figure this out?
I think
I need to figure it out.
Tell us which.
Okay, so Ask Annissa this week, apparently we're going to find out what is the best craft beer to pair after you've worked all day on a particular job. So I am going to try the lighter one here. I'm going to save that dark for last because it's kind of scary. And I'm not sure what the percentage is on these. Do we know?
Yep.
Okay, so what is this one? What's the name?
That was 5.4. It's mango fruit tea.
Okay, so this is mango fruit tea and it's 5.4%. So we're going to give this a shot. And these aren't like shooters. I don't have to shoot them, right?
No,
okay,
no.
good. Okay.
No, they're shooters. Unless you want. Depends on how bad your day was.
Ooh, that is very mango-y. I would say that would be water loss. I would put that after a water loss, especially if you're in a really, because it kind of reminds me of the beach. It's kind of fruity. Yeah, I'd say that's water loss. Okay, so what's this one here? Little bit darker?
I think that's your favorite. That's Tequila Mockingbird.
Tequila Mockingbird. I'm going to tell myself, he said my favorite. I've never been here before, ever. Oh, and by the way, where are we? We're at a place, I'm sorry, I kind of messed up. We're at a place called LTS, Life's Too Short Not to Drink. Isn't that a great name? What a great slogan. So that is where we are. This is Tequila Mockingbird?
Yep.
All right, okay.
And that comes in at 9%.
Oh yeah, this is 9% by the way. Oh my gosh, this definitely I think is going to wind up being my favorite. This one's awesome. It kind of tastes like alcohol, like a strong alcohol taste, not just beer. So I don't know, I would almost say, I would have to say that after a fire job, I would love nothing more than this. So we're going to do the Tequila Mockingbird as fire job. So we have water, fire. What's our next one here?
It's called What She's Having.
What she's having. All right, and what's the percentage?
6.4.
6.4%. All right. I don't, maybe I should have something to rinse my palate in between here. That tastes like grapefruit. That is very like, if you want to like disinfect something, that might have to be sewer loss. I'm not sure. That might have, or mold. You know, I don't know. That's a hard one. Okay, we're going to choose mold because that tastes like I just drank disinfectant. Sorry, the owner's over there, so I'm trying to be careful. Okay, so our last one. That looks very dark, very scary. And what do we have left? Is it
fire?
Sewer.
No,
Sewer. Okay, so we have water, fire, mold, and sewer. And you know, that's pretty dark. That just kind of sounds apropos. All right, so what's the name of this?
It's called Control-Alt-Delete.
Okay, so this is...
It comes in at 5.1%.
Okay, so this is Control-Alt-Delete. This is what you would drink after a sewer loss. And it's 5.1%?
5.1.
5.1%. I still think the 9%er is what I'd be drinking after a sewer loss. But anyway, all right, so we're going to give this a try. This is much darker than I normally drink. Wow, that is really smooth. That is actually really, really good.
Smooth move, X-Labs.
Okay, Control-Alt-Delete is definitely very smooth. I have to say though, that's really good. I have to say, I still think the Tequila Mockingbird is my favorite, but maybe that's just because I like to drink margaritas on the beach. I'm not sure. Okay, so what did we decide? We decide that beer is good regardless of what kind it is at the end of the day, unless it's that alcohol one, which was a little weird. But I'm gonna tell you, the winner is definitely the tequila one. And by the way, I need to correct myself. It's tequila monking beer. Tequila monking beer, like monks. Apparently the owner corrected me. I should have had him on the video with me, so I'm very sorry about that. And the other one I mispronounced was the mango fructa. Right? Did I say it right? Okay. I just had to get that right. And by the way, I don't know if any of you guys are watching this video that are from the area where we are. We're by, what's the name of the town? Rochester, Minnesota. LTS, it is an awesome place. Very, very cool place. So you should come and hang out and have a water loss, a fire loss, a mold job, or a sewer backup, whichever you are feeling. Well, on that note, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and be sure you send me questions, Annissa at firehouseeducation.com, and maybe I will go have a beer with you sometime. No, I'm teasing. Maybe I'll answer your question on next week's Ask Annissa video column.